Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I want to quickly show us how to add Core DAO wallet in your Metamask wallet. You'll be needing this Core DAO wallet to request for withdrawal of your mined BTCS in your BTCS app or the mined Satoshis. You'll be needing your wallet to request for the withdrawal. So quickly, let's go to this very place. Select the browser. In the URL, enter scan.coredao.org. Go. The network seems not to be very efficient. Let me try it again. Alright. That's opened up. You scroll down to the bottom. Okay. Scroll down to this very place and select Add Core Network. This will automatically add the core network. Click on Switch Network. Okay. Success. Alright, that has been successfully added in the wallet now. So let's go back to wallet. Did you see that? So this is your core network. You can check on this place for switching of wallet. See, formerly it was in Ethereum network, now it's in core. So let's leave it there. So you can click on it to open more. So to copy your receive wallet address, to go and link it in your BTCS app. So once you click on this very place, it will open your wallet address. To review your wallet address, click here to copy. Once you've copied it, simply go to your BTCS app and link it. If you don't know how to do that, how to link your wallet, check the video I will drop in the description of this video. You know how to do so. I've explained everything there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Ask your questions and feel free to contact me by sending me an email or sending me a WhatsApp message through the informations in my description. Alright, God bless you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Very important for more of such videos and you'll be notified. Also click on the notification bell icon. Alright.